indeed, folks. Here we are, out and about again. It's a bit cold and damp and miserable. I've got the drone with me today, folks. Would you believe it? It's in that little bag there, folks. Yes, it is. So it might be just a bit wet for the drone. I don't know how these things work, so I don't know where I'm going to head, folks, but we're going out. We're definitely going out to do something, so here we go. Well, folks, you find me here down at Tayport. We've come down to the Shanwell area where we're going to go into the Shanwell old listening station and try and fly the drone there, folks. Now hopefully it won't be too cold for the drone. Right, folks, I have no idea how we're going to get on to doing with this drone. I have no idea. Bro's not here to help me, so we're just going to send it up, and hopefully there will be enough battery power so we can get up in the air, folks. And hopefully I've got the app here as well, folks, so let's hope that we can get some footage. And we will be able to get it. Oh no, there's somebody else here, man. Damn them. God, folks, I've lost the drone. It just went flying off. It's a disaster. Oh, folks, it's an absolute disaster. The drone just took off and away it went. I've lost it, man. I've lost the drone. Can you believe it? Where's it gone? Oh my word, I've lost it, folks. Oh my goodness me. It's gone. I've lost it. Oh my word. Oh, I've left my bag behind, folks. Oh no, it's all gone wrong. Thank you, folks. Better go get my bag back. There's my wallet in there. Oh, no, folks. Oh, jeez, I can't believe this has happened. Oh, my lord. Right. Sake. It just went up in the air and just took right off, man. I had it under control for about 3 seconds, and then off it went. Oh God. Right, folks, well, oh, goodness me, where could it be? It came over that building there and came over in a line like this. So it's got to be sort of in this vicinity somewhere. Oh Lord. Oh, there's all sorts of puddles and all. Oh my goodness me. I can't believe it, folks. It's just a bit of a quagmire here. Look, there's all sorts of puddles like this. Oh, God, I've seen it. There it is. Is that the train? There it is, folks. There it is. I found it. God, what's this going to be like then? Oh no! Okay, folks. Quick, Jack, get the drone and get out of here. Oh, it's all filthy. Oh my lord. Okay folks, we're very lucky we've found the drone. We're sitting out there on the bank. It's a bit muddy, but it's not too badly off actually. I thought it'd be a lot worse. I thought we'd be actually covered in mud, but look at this, I'm way out in the middle of this. Oh no folks, I think I could be in a bit of danger here. Bit of quagmire land. Right, goodness me, that was a bit hairy. Right, I think what I'll do is wait till Bro's here next time so we can have like a spotter. But honestly, that was just a bit much. God, that was scary, man, honestly. Right, we've got it back, which is the main thing. Let's see how we get on with it. Right folks, here we are. We're at my old picnic spot. Remember this one from the summer? We used to sit here all the time. And we're just having a mocha and a shocker pan. Yes, back to old habits folks, here it is. So we're just having a look over. I think there's a bit of a snow or something. Snowstorm coming, not a storm, but there's sort of like flecks of snow in the air and things. So yeah, just coming in now. So I think we'll be heading back over the water shortly folks. Great. So folks, as you can see, we're just on the edge of a storm here. It's just happening away over there, down by the Tayport bridge. Right folks, here we are at the Tayport bridge south. Yes, we're just going to try and wait on that. Well, we are going to wait on a train, and hopefully one will come past fairly soon, because normally when you're going about this area you see a train quite a lot. So and you know what I can see from here folks? I can see the wreck of the boat. Remember I came along looking for a boat wreck once away along by Balmain. We can actually see it folks, it's away out there. Now I can just feel it, even though we're on the Tay Bridge here, folks, quite exposed in this little area here, I suppose. We can just feel that we're on the edge of a storm here. Yes, you can kind of see it way over there. It must be blowing in from the Perth side. The sun's shining, folks, and we're waiting on a train. I can normally tell when a train's coming because you get that familiar ring, the hiss on the rails. Oh, there! Oh, I can hear it. Oh, there's one. There we go, folks. We've got a train. Yes. There it goes. Well, folks, there's the other tunnel down there. Look. So behind me folks is the Wormet tunnels. Now there was a bad train accident just further along another part of this tunnel system where a train crashed and killed some school children just round the bend, but I can still kind of get a bit of a smell coming out of there. Well, it could be just the bonfire just there probably, so, but it's right at the back of somebody's house folks. I don't like to hang about here. Anyway, there we go. So if you're watching my live Facebook feed there on Spiz page, my phone went off folks. Yes, it did as usual. It went off, of course it did. Anyway, thank you. Right, here's sort of bricked up part of the tunnel system here, look. Right folks, there's another part of the tunnel system here, and this one is concreted right up here. There it is. Right, now I've done this before on my videos, so but I'm not sure which one's the train, where the accident happened. I'm sure it's just the one further along. This is just a different part of it. Where does this go? There's a little bit down there. Should we have a sneaky down here, see where it goes? It goes into tennis courts. That's padlocked up, folks. Gate closure due to vandalism. 14th to 5th of October. We are sorry that due to our court has been a target for vandals,
we have taken the decision to padlock the gate. The police have been informed and we are currently working with them in an attempt to stop this behaviour and to agree upon a suitable solution when perpetrators are named. We feel sure that someone in the community will be able to help. Right. That's shocking, isn't it?
Nothing's sacred these days, folks, is it? Nothing.
It's quite a good angle. Hey, look. Yes.